Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading, and I just thought I would give a quick review about what is going on the ES right now. This chart that I have in front of you right now is the daily chart, and what we are looking at is we're still looking at that high from the 10th of May and the low from the 13th of May. Okay, but it's just been, last week was some chop, then this week we've had a little bit of up action here. We also have the swing inside the swing, which is from the 18th of May high to the 19th of May low. And that is, if you're wondering why we've stopped and pulled back a little bit, it's because we met that target 42.13 off of that smaller swing inside the swing, okay? And if you're in our room, you know that many moves tend to terminate at extensions. But we are still looking at that higher time frame target there, 42.95. We still need to violate that target of 42.13, which we have not done. We have the second target of that small swing inside the swing of 42.56, and then the second target of the larger swing at 43.67. So that is what I'm looking at on the daily. What I am seeing here on the 30-minute chart was that we had that bounce yesterday into support from 41.77 to about 80, and that was off of the high here from the same day, okay? So we take that high to that low, and you get your target of 42.21. Now, what happened overnight is that we came up, met that 786, and we failed, and that is the pullback that you saw during market today. It wasn't quite as low as the pullback as yesterday, but it was 41.80, so we basically came back into that zone again. We have bounced, and we are testing the 786 again of this move, okay? So 41.99 is the 786 of that move. 42.05 is the 786 of that larger move. Now, 786s are something where we look for a pullback, but they are not setups by themselves. What we are still wanting to see are these higher time frame targets. We are still the swing within the swing here of that 42.21 target. Then we have this smaller target of 42.10 from today. Now you are going to have some resistance on the way up from yesterday's low to today's low. Okay, and that's going to be 42.05. And let me say that one more time because it was a little confusing. I took yesterday's low to today's high and projected it from today's low, 42.05, which also correlates with the high to the low from yesterday of the 786. Okay, and then we've got the target from that smaller swing today of 42.10. That is what I am seeing on the 30-minute. Now we're going to go to an even lower time frame. So now we're looking at the 10-minute chart. That is that same 786 you saw on the 30-minute chart. We failed. We came down to the 618 today. Bounce, came up to this 618, and now we are just kind of chopping around. I do have some overnight resistance for you coming in at 41.96, and then the target off of this small 10-minute swing is going to be 42.04 and 42.06. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome evening. If you are trading futures, this is a great way to trade them overnight, is to be live in our trading room, because guess what? I leave up live charts all night long. This is an example of what I have in the room all night long. ES, NQ, RTY, crude, gold, all night long. That is the live room I am showing. I'll show that from Sunday evening to Friday afternoon. I don't say 24/7 because it's not 7 days a week, but it is 24/6, 6 days a week. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome rest of the day. If you're not currently in our room, I hope you please come to join us, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me